How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm just going to dive into Quant again today and just basically break down this market structure that we've got here. So as I mentioned in the previous Quant video, I said how was pushing up here and we had this bit of volume within this candle, and I said there's a chance that we could potentially break up above this level, and basically if we was to close with a 4H candle up and above this level of resistance here, so then we're going to continue to go higher. But you can see there, we had several attempts to push higher, and basically the sellers have been in control, and the buyers haven't been able to close up and above that level. You can see there we pushed up, and then we've come back down into this little level of support, and we've attempted again, but then of course we wasn't able to push up basically, and you can see there the volume within that 4H candle, that the sellers basically have now pushed and broken, closed below this little area of support that we had, and then we've had this little continuation down. So what's happening here is I think this might be a retest of this level of resistance here, which was the support, and I think we might potentially get the retest of here with a little basically double top of this area, which you'll probably be able to see on the lower time frame. Yeah, so I think we might get a bit of a double top there, and then we might get the continuation back down then into this level of support at maybe $102, or potentially even dropping even lower into this major area of support here. Of course, it's not always the news that we want to hear. I am long on cryptos long term, and I do believe that we are going to go much higher than these prices. But short term, and going off how Bitcoin is performing at the minute, I do think that we are going to get this bit of a continuation lower, because I do think Bitcoin is going to drop a little bit lower, and I have just mentioned that in my XTC video, and we'll sort of cross-reference each crypto that I'm analysing to Bitcoin, because of course Bitcoin is basically the dominant one in this market at the minute, until we get some real utility and use case out of our altcoins basically. So you can see there, as I said, I think we are going to get this retest and then this continuation back down into these lower levels. You could get some good short opportunities if you knew how to basically trade these, but yeah, it's basically it. I think if we was to go bullish, again, like I said, I'd want to close above these levels. But for now, I think, short term, we're definitely going to get this continuation back down, unless something drastic happens, which pushes Bitcoin up basically, or we have some positive news for Quant or whatever. But for now, yeah, I think break, retest with a double top of here, and then back down into these levels of support, so maybe potentially a little bit lower. Just have a quick look at the percentage of that. Yeah, I mean, what we've got there, we've got 9.5%, nearly 10% moving to this level of support, and then down to these levels, 20 to 25%. Unfortunately, it's quite a big drop that we could potentially be seeing here. It's just one of them things. It is one of them. It's only short term, and if we was to continue looking at these prices on the long term perspective, monthly perspective, you would probably see it's gradually would be going up. But I like to look at these daily and just basically have a look at the price action that we're seeing, and how the structure of the market is forming basically. That's it. If anyone's got any altcoins they'd like me to basically go over and just do a bit of analysis on for them, leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to go over them for you. That's it for now though, and I'll see everyone in the next video. Cheers everyone, take care, bye bye.